In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDFs with Microsoft Edge, guiding you through an intuitive and efficient method to work on your documents without the need for additional software. We'll dive right into how you can harness Microsoft Edge's abilities to modify your PDFs, ensuring you can add, draw, erase, and highlight with ease. First, locate the PDF file you wish to edit on your computer. Once found, simply right-click on it and navigate down to the Open With option. This will prompt a drop-down menu where you should select Microsoft Edge. Doing this will open your PDF in Microsoft Edge's built-in viewer, which comes equipped with a variety of editing tools designed to ease your document editing tasks. Once your PDF is opened in Edge, take a look at the top section of the screen. You'll notice a toolbar dedicated to PDF editing. This toolbar is your arsenal for making all the necessary adjustments you desire. One of the first actions you might want to perform is adding text to your document. For this, simply click on the Add Text button, which is usually represented by a capital T. This will enable you to click anywhere on your PDF where you'd like to start typing. At this point, a mini toolbar will appear, allowing you to customize your newly added text. You can change the font size, adjust the color, and even modify the spacing to suit your needs. This flexibility ensures your annotations and additions are visually cohesive with the rest of the document. Moving on, if you need to handwrite or draw, the inking tool has you covered. Click the draw icon, typically depicted as a pen. After clicking this icon, you can select your preferred pen color and thickness from the options provided. Whether you're using a mouse, stylus, or even your finger if you have a touch screen, you can now freely write or sketch directly onto the document. Should you need to remove any of your ink marks, easily do so by selecting the Erase tool. This feature is perfect for wiping away any stray lines or mistakes without affecting the rest of your PDF. Another handy feature is text highlighting. When you wish to emphasize important sections, simply use the highlighter tool by clicking and dragging over the text. This action will help important details stand out in your document. Once you've completed your edits, remember to save your work. Click on the save icon, typically represented as a floppy disk. You'll then have the option to choose save, which will overwrite the existing file with your edits, or save as if you prefer to keep the original intact and create a new version instead. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to editing your PDFs using Microsoft Edge. Happy editing!